Hey Joshua, what are you doing? I'm actually working right now. What are you working on? I'm working on my affiliate marketing business. I'm creating a Facebook ad for a digital product at the moment. What's affiliate marketing and what's digital product? Well, affiliate marketing is a business where an affiliate recommends helpful products to people who need them and earn commission per each sales made. And digital products are non-physical products. These products can be accessed online. They can be in form of videos, audios, or books. They are more like problem-solving products. They talk about solutions to particular problems. Oh, okay, so how do you make money from this business as an affiliate? Well, you make money from this business by recommending helpful products to people who need them and earn commission. You can sell affiliate information products on topics like business, forex, weight loss, freelancing, how to relocate to Canada. Just pick a single good product and you'll make millions. For example, you are promoting a product that talks about how to relocate to Canada, and there are thousands of people who are looking for legit ways to relocate to Canada, and some of these people have been scammed a lot by travel agents. What you do is target these people, introduce this information product to them. When they purchase, you get your commission. Let's say the product sells for 30K with a 50% commission. That's 15K per each sale you make. So if you make 10 sales, that's 150K made in commission for you. And the good thing is the product will work for those who bought it and implements as they have learned from the product. Wow, so how do you get customers who are interested in purchasing these digital products? Your customers are everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, Google, Twitter, WhatsApp. All you need to do is target them and introduce these products to them. So Joshua, how can I get into this business and start making money? Well, knowledge is power. First, you have to get the 72 IG affiliate marketing course. This course teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and becoming successful and consistently profitable. You also get a free Expertnaire account when you purchase the 72 IG course. Expertnaire is the platform where all these digital products are listed. On Expertnaire, you only get to market high-value quality digital products. On Expertnaire, you get paid your sales commission every Friday. Thanks a lot, Joshua. I'm getting started right now. You're welcome. See you on the other side. For more info and how to get started, here's my WhatsApp contact 081351422234. You can also follow me on Twitter at KaziJosh.